How to fix Group Policy Editor not found on Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Notepad. Copy paste this code in Notepad. Then go to File, located on top. Click on Save As. And in file name, make sure you write Gpedit.msc. Then click on Save. After saving it, go to File Explorer and then search for Gpedit. You'll find Gpedit in any file you saved. Click on Gpeditor. If your access is given, your problem will be fixed. It's not available in my device. Simply press on any key to continue and you're good to go. That's how you fix Group Policy Editor not found on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.